Alright, hey guys, what's up? Thanks for clicking on this video. Yeah, so a few weeks ago, I posted a video about how to store your RC. I probably should do a part 2 to that. And one of you guys asked about my hanging system that I use to hang my cars up. It's a very simple design, and so I thought I'd just make a quick video about it. Okay, so one of the things that you'll need is a board. I used it's a 2.5 by 3/4. You'll need a drill, a small level, a tape measure, a box of 1.5-inch self-drilling, self-tapping screws, and a stud finder. But if you don't have a stud finder, then I'll show you a way on how to find the studs without the stud finder. Okay? Once you have your piece of wood, I would actually suggest measuring it first. As you can see, I have not measured it. Once you measure it, then you can start to add the screws in. Alright, so I've already pre-cut it. Not pre-cut it, I've already cut it. Actually, this was pre-cut from the last one that I did. So you can see me measuring it. I'm measuring the width to find the center, and I'm just pushing in the screws into the board in the center of it, because we don't want the cars to hang crooked. At least I don't. I know I find that very annoying if the cars are hanging like that. So I just found the center and put the screws on the center. Since they are self-tapping, self-drilling, self-tapping, I'm pretty sure it's self-tapping this time. I just use the drill and just kind of drill it in. You don't want to drill it in all the way, because these are the screws that your car will hang on. The width, you can actually measure your car and make sure that the width is the right width, or you can just guesstimate like I did, and I think it came out pretty well. I wanted to use a fudstinder. A stud finder, because for one, I have plaster walls in my house, and if I just drilled it into the wall, that wouldn't be any good. So I wanted to find some studs to really screw it in there. Studs meaning the structures that hold up your house, not good-looking men. Anyway, drill it in, because the cars can get pretty heavy. If all the cars are hanging on there, I wanted it to be secured to something solid. My fudstinder, I'm just gonna say it, my fudstinder isn't working. If your fudstinder isn't working, you can go to the old school technique, and that is to knock on the wall. Wherever it's solid, that is where a stud is, and then it'll get a little hollow feeling, and then it'll be solid again. Alright, so I found the studs, marked it on the wall, and now I'm just securing one screw, because then I'll take my level and make sure it's nice and level. Again, we don't want the cars to be crooked, and screwing that screw in again on a stud, and making sure that it's level. So it's level, and now I'm securing the two bottom ones. So 4 screws all together will hold up your piece of wood. And we're a little bit off, but you can tell that that's still somewhat low. I thought that maybe I should paint this black or something. That might look kind of sweet. So you guys could paint it if you wanted to. I just kept it the same wood color. Excuse the flower wallpaper, alright? I know one of you guys is hating on my flower wallpaper, alright? I moved in with the flower wallpaper in my house way back, and we just haven't changed it. So as you can see, hanging up my car, and it works. Holds 2 cars perfectly fine. Alright, so I hope you guys are able to learn something, and I hope I was able to make it clear. If you guys do this, tag me in the post on Instagram. I'd love to see your guys' versions if you change it in any way, or use it for 8 scales or something. If you guys made it to this far in the video, post in the comments, my fudstinder is broken. Or, how about this, hashtag flower wallpaper. Let's see if we can get that trending. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and post down in the comments my fudstinder and hashtag flower wallpaper. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video, or at the track.